Everyone, welcome to Zach. Today our friends here will tell all about these three bags. The first one is that one.
This is the first bag which we have bought here.
Look at the let's
see.
and our friend is Celsius. Now let's see what this
We
is.
have a silly toy here.
That's a swag. I don't know where it came from. Oh, pencils. Do you want them? No.
Tag and an elastic rope.
It's very stretchy, you know.
Another tag.
And another one. Let's see what's inside by putting our. Do you want a bracelet? If you can see my
Oh my
hands.
god, the cutest. No decorated ring ever.
But we can decorate it if you have markers.
You need paper to stick it on. And a coin.
That's all. That's all. Let's in the second bag we have a new keychain. You want to see the keychain? We have the baby keychain.
Now we have some ribbons.
Ribbons is cute. And some bow tie. Do you want bite? If you need new, no need bite. Markers. That's the best one. This is actually a marker to color. And this is actually a whiteboard marker. Okay, you get it. No, don't make
A
it.
cute rainbow clip. Never heard of before.
See?
Oh my god. A bottle cap.
That's very crazy.
And another marker.
That's all.
Let's pack it all up.
Now let's back down. Now let's see the
It's
box.
the-
Find a beautiful bag you never saw.
You have never seen it. It has a ruby. Let's open it up and
Ah, the pearls! And the pearls are very pretty.
Oh my god, a
Ah,
glitter hairband.
Oh,
Oh, it's a cute kitty. It's the cute teddy bear. Could this be the thing which we saw on the broken ring in this bag?
Yeah, maybe.
And one trivia question. Which bag did Mariam like the most?
You think that one? See, this bag is so pretty. Or this bag or this bag. Right in the down, so you can have the answer. This bag or that bag or this bag.
Tell it in the comments.